Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today I want to show you how much YouTube pay me per 1,000 views. So guys, can you see my videos? I have like 100 views, 200 views, 257 views. This video is my popular video. So this video got 8,000 views, and this video got 3,000 views, and this video got 2,000 views, and this video got 1,000 views. So I'll be showing you how much YouTube actually pay me for these videos. So that time wasted, so let me jump to my YouTube studio and show you how much YouTube pay me per 1,000 views. Okay, let's go. Okay, fine. So we are here in my YouTube studio. Okay, let me go to content. Okay, fine. So let me check where are my videos. In fact, let me go to my popular videos. The one that got 8,000 views. Let me show you that one first. Okay, fine. Okay, can you see the video now? So how to easily download Facebook video to your phone gallery. So let me click the video. Fine. So let me go to analytics. Okay, fine. So let me go to revenue. Okay, can you see? This video got $14, right? This video got $14. Can you see the RPM of this video? That means revenue per mil. This video RPM is $1. Let me just say $2, $1.8. And can you see how much advertisers pay for this video? They pay $5. And can you see how much YouTube pay me? So it's $1.8 for each 1,000 views that I got in this video. So this video make up to $14.9. So guys, and let me show you the second one. How much YouTube pay me for that one? So can you see this one is 8,000? So let me go for that one, which is this one. How to create Google account. Let me click it. Okay, fine. So let me click it now and show you. Okay, let me go over to revenue. Okay, can you see this one? This one got up to $20, right? Can you see the RPM of this one is $6 per 1,000 views. So this particular video make up to $20 with just 3,000 views. Wow, this is amazing, right? With just 3,000 views, and you can see how much advertisers pay for this video. So advertisers pay $7.8 for this video. So YouTube give me $6.4 per every 1,000 views that I got in this video. So this is amazing, right? So can you see the earning by ads type? Can you see the ads type? The skipping ad video, non-skippable, bumper ads, unknown display action. So can you see all those ads? So can you see how much YouTube actually pay me for this particular video with just 3,000 views? Fine. So can you see with just 3,000 views? Okay, let me go back and show you another one. Okay, fine. Let me show you this particular one. Make money online. So let me show you how much YouTube actually pay for this particular one, the RPM and the CPM of this one. So let me go to revenue side. Okay, fine. Can you see this video make up to $3? Wow. This video got $3. Okay, fine. Can you see? So can you see the RPM of this video? So this is how much advertisers pay. They pay $3. And can you see how much YouTube gave me for this video? So YouTube gave me $1.1 for every 1,000 views that I got in this video. Okay, fine. Can you see? So this video make $3.3, right? So can you see how much this video make? Okay, fine. Let me go to another one. Okay, fine. So can you see this one? How to create a virtual dollar card in Nigeria. So let me click this one and show you how much YouTube pay me for this particular one. Let me go to analytics. And let me go to revenue. Okay, fine. So can you see this video got up to $1.9, and can you see the RPM of this video and the CPM? Advertisers pay $2.5 while RPM is $1.6. So that means that YouTube pay me $1.6 per 1,000 views for this video, and this video only got 1.1k views. That means 1,100 views. Okay, fine. Let me go to overview, and can you see 1,100k views? Okay, let me go to another video and show you. Let me look for another particular video that is good. Okay, fine. Let me show you this one. How to verify Google AdSense. Okay, let me click on it and show you how much YouTube pay me for this particular video. This video got up to 838 views. Okay, let me check out how much is the RPM and the CPM for this video. Oh my goodness. Advertisers pay $7 for this video, and can you see how much I'm earning? $0.52 per 1,000 views. So I think it's very, very bad, right? Oh my goodness. So this is very, very bad. So I just can't say anything about this. Okay, fine. So this is how much YouTube actually paid me for this particular video. Let me check another one. After that one, check something else. Okay, fine. Can you see this one? YouTube invalid traffic block. Okay, let me show you how much YouTube actually paid me for this one. Let me click. Okay, fine. Let's go to revenue side. Okay, can you see? This video got $1.3, and can you see how much advertisers are paying for this video? Advertisers pay $10, $10.6. Wow, this is good. And can you see the RPM? RPM is bad. So revenue per mil, can you see? $1.8. That means in every 1k views, I'll be earning $1.8. So this is how much I made in this video, and you can see the views that I got in this video. 747 views. Okay, that is exactly how much YouTube pay me for views right here in Nigeria. Can you see what I just shown you guys, how much YouTube pay me? Okay, let me also click this video and show you how much YouTube pay me for views. Let me show you. Okay, let me go to revenue side. This video got 100 views, right? And RPM for this video is $1.3. How much advertisers pay for this video is $4.9. So can you see how much I make? 0.14 dollars. Okay, fine. So this is exactly how much YouTube pay me for views right here in Nigeria. So if you have any question, let me know what you think in the comment section. I will be happy to see your comment and reply to it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.